You will now perform chemical waving. You will wrap the entire back section of the head from crown to nape. Once you are finished wrapping, please step back and do nothing until the next verbal instructions are given. You'll be expected to follow all client protection, safety, infection control procedures. You have 20 minutes to complete this section. Be informed you have 10 minutes remaining. Do not perform the saturation procedure, a test curl, or remove a rod until instructed individually by the examiner to do so. Do not remove the remaining rods until you're instructed to do so. Step back to indicate that you have finished, or repeat the instructions you may begin.
Okay, so you're going to sanitize your hands. Number one thing on every part of your test is you make sure everything is nice, neat, clean. Even your bottles, you know, everything, just baggies, everything looks nice, neat, and clean. Okay, so you're going to come in here. You're going to spray down that hair. If it's not still completely soaking wet, you're going to get out your suctioning for the perm. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to move my side out of the way. Right? Go across the top. Go to get your top out of the way.
This is where I make y'all do 5 sections.
I'm going to come down my side. I'm going to get my side out of the way. And I have my nape area from the crown to the nape, okay? I want pretty good, decent lines on this. Your sectioning is key to everything that you do. That's why I want you really perfecting these sections, okay?
What are you performing?
The chemical waving, the perm. So you're gonna start rolling that perm just like you've been taught. Make sure all your ends are completely covered with your end papers. If you're gonna stay on base, half off or off base, you stay in that precise. Oh my gosh, somebody just got me all the small curlers.
So we start from the top, not the bottom?
So I'm gonna roll my perm all the way down, okay? And I'm not gonna be able to roll it with this, you guys, because they got me all small rods. Do we have any? Will you grab me a handful of the big rods, please? Thank you. They're watching your tension. They're making sure that your perm rods are nice and even, that they're tight. That they're all on the same base.
So this is 5 or 9 sections?
I only sectioned out the sides and the top and got my back section. You guys can walk around and come see my back section.
You practice the state board different from what you would actually do a perm.
Okay, that's why.
A 9 section is what we're gonna do a perm as. We're gonna do a perm as a 9 section, but right now, I'm just sectioning out my back side. Okay.
That has me all kind of confused.
This is just our state board perm. I'm gonna push my head forward when I get here to where I can still get my base without killing my body. I touched the back, so I'm just gonna make sure I get rid of that. Sanitize my hands and just start over, okay? So you're gonna roll it all the way down, okay? So then you're gonna stop. Timer's up. All my perm rod is rolled, okay? Got me? All my perm rods are rolled. Okay, so you're stepping back. Now they're gonna come up to you individually and they're gonna say, please demonstrate saturation, okay? This is untimed, it's gonna be one at a time. You're going to put on your gloves. You're going to get out your protective cream. Only dip it one time. Close it up because you're going to still use it, okay? Get your Vaseline all around the whole hairline, okay? Dispose of it. So I did the whole hairline. I'm going to take my cotton. I'm going to wrap just my back section, okay? They will not answer a dang question. They won't tell you to keep going. Nothing. Okay? Get out your solution. You're going to keep it away from the rod. Squeeze it nice and slow across the top. Nice and slow across the bottom. You're going to pick up that rod and roll it. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. And you're going to do the whole section because it says to. Okay?
They won't tell you to stop. They're going to expect you to do the whole thing, and they're going to expect you to put a paper towel at the bottom, like 4, for any drippages.
If you guys need to, you can't lay anything on the floor or anything. If you are dripping, then you grab a paper towel and you can just wrap it up under here. You just fold it all in here. Okay? And then you have a drip. Okay? So you're going to completely saturate. I do not want to see this. Okay? I want to see nice, slow, pick up, slow, pick up, all the way down till everyone's done. Okay? Then you'll put your, then they're going to probably go through everybody at this point. So you're just going to stand here.
No, you're individually.
I know. I don't know. I'm telling you, I don't know if they're going to make everybody saturate first or if they're going to do you saturate and then curl. They probably will do it all at once, okay? So now they're going to tell you to please demonstrate a test curl. You're going to come to this. You're going to take off one rod. You're going to unroll it 1.5 times. You're going to give it some slack. You're going to pull it out. You're going to roll it in, and you're going to hook it. You're going to step away. Well, just step back a little bit. You're not going to rock it. You're just going to unroll it. You're going to give it a little slack, and you're going to roll it back in and hook it. Okay? Then they're going to say, please remove one rod from the head. So I'm gonna remove it. When I get to my end paper, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to kind of show it. And then I'm going to dispose of my rod and my paper in the correct bag. Okay? And then they're going to say, do not remove the remaining rods until instructed to do so. So you're done for right now. Okay? Will you stop that, please?